Good afternoon, friends. This is Sid Panjabi here. Hope everyone's doing well and had a great weekend. Today is Monday, 8th June 2020, and we're going to analyze Nifty. So I'm going to first analyze Nifty on the daily chart, and here is what Nifty is doing currently. So it opened today at 10,326, 27 levels, and the high was the same, which was around 10,328 levels. So it made an open and a high which was the same, and it made a low of 10,120, and now the current price is 10,160 levels. So we've come to a level where Nifty is about to close, and it's about 3:15 in the afternoon, and this being the first day of the week, we look like we're going to get a bearish candle, which is a red candle right now, and the week ends on Friday and we have the weekly expiry on Thursday. So I'm just going to run through also the weekly charts so we know exactly what happened and what's going on the Nifty on a bigger time frame. So we've got a resistance around this black line, which is around 10,300 levels, where today's high, which is Monday, it's gone around that level, and from there we've faced resistance and come back down, and we've got support on Nifty at around 9,600, which is the previous week before that, the gap, which needs to be filled at some point, and we could probably fill it this week or maybe next week. So we'll see as per time. So back to the daily charts. What Nifty did last week was that it was a proper bull run, and we got Nifty which went up by about 14% in the last couple of weeks, and from there now we're going to face resistance at this level where we've come to right now, which is around 10,300. So if you want to trade Nifty, then you could probably think of a short trade in the futures market, and you could probably keep today's stop loss as the high, and your target could be around 9,900 levels, which was last week's low. So we can see what happens there. And if you're an options trader, then you could probably do a strangle trade, which you could sell 10,400 calls, and you could maybe even sell 9,800 levels puts. So you've basically you're playing that range where Nifty should remain in that range between 9,800 and 10,400, which is pretty likely. But of course, by the looks of it, and as you can see that we've got a bearish candle right now, and we might be heading lower towards the 9,900 levels approximately. So we'll wait and see what happens during the week, but for now there would be no big trade to take, and hope that something big happens in the market. So we'll wait and see. My stock pick for the week would be selling Reliance, since Reliance has come towards a resistance level, and the resistance level is of 1630, which is kind of made like 3 to 4 tops, and with so many deals going on in Reliance, I think a lot of it is already factored in the price, and we could probably see Reliance sideways, or maybe even a correction down to around 1500 levels. So I would short Reliance, or if I had a long position in Reliance, I would probably exit it, or I would hedge it, because we look like we've pretty much hit a resistance in Reliance.